Sade. Tell me or show me? Alright, she's going to show us her work. Round of applause for Sade! Alright, that's it. Ready? Bowman, what do you think? Is their first step correct? Yes. If you look at yesterday's chart, we're going to do the adding and subtracting first in chunks. So she subtracted 3 and got negative 5, x squared equals negative 12. Benito, what's the next step? Feel free to look at the chart above. So what do you do? How do you get rid of that negative 5? Alright, Benito, what's left? Just leave it a fraction. Leave it a fraction. And negative divided by negative is? Nathan, what do I do next? Alright, Nathan, if I do the square root on both sides, what happens over here? What about the exponent, darling? I meant Nathan. Yeah, it's just going to be x. Remember, there's a 2 right there? These will kind of cancel. So you're just left with x. Nathan, how about the other side? Stays the same? Tell me that's alright. So I'm going to have radical 12 over radical 5. I'm going to show you guys how to simplify radicals. The square root of 12 is the square root of 4 times 3. In class, what's the square root of 4? 2. So I have 2 radical 3 over radical 5. Now, here's some bad news. You can never have a radical in the denominator or the bottom of the fraction. Does anyone know how to clear that? I'm just going to take that number and do it twice. You're going to multiply any number times 1 and it doesn't change it. So, our final answer is going to be x equals, class, what's 5 times 5? So that's really radical 25. And what's radical 25? Square root of 25 is just 5. So in pink here, they call that rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. Over here, I'm just going to multiply those that are inside the house. Class, what's 3 times 5? 15. So I have the square root of 15. Now, we forgot something way up here when Nathan was taking the radical, I believe, that you should have a plus or minus. So our answer is x equals a positive 2 radical 15 over 5 and x equals a negative 2 radical 15 over 5. Now, some of you may have been tempted to put that into your calculator, but I just want to write this on the side. This would be an exact answer. What kind of answer, class? Exact answer basically just means a radical or a fraction. It's not using your calculator. There's no decimals. And this is how you do that problem.